them boards on a midnight run. Thought the hard old days were done. Coal black sky and a blood red dawn, but the hunger for power kept on. We wrote our hopes on a barnwood wall, swore this time we would stand tall. But a man or a pig or a king or a thief can all wear power beneath their teeth. Some animals sleep while the tired bones ache. Some animals eat while the poor backs break. Started with a prayer, ended with a gun. Same old devil in a different one. Truth got sold for a polished charm. Fear moved in and it worked its harm. We called it freedom when the fire was warm. Now it's ashes on Animal Farm. Boxer bent like an iron wheel, made the earth turn with his will. Never learned how the strong get used, never saw how the faithful lose. Clover looked with a wounded grace. Benjamin wore that same old face, like he'd seen this road in another town, where the high ride up and the good fall down. You can change the law, you can change the song, tell the weak they remembered wrong. Raise your glass where the lantern swings, and laugh like thieves and call yourself kings. Some animals crawl where the cold mud clings. Some animals feast with the chosen things. Started with hope, ended with command. Same hard boot with a cleaner hand. Truth got buried out behind the barn. Dreams went lame and hearts got scarred. We called it freedom, now here we are, counting ghosts on Animal Farm. Some animals crawl where the cold mud cleans. Some animals feast with the chosen things. Started with a hope, ended with command. Same hard boot with a cleaner hand.